Webull review. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com, and in this video we are going to discuss Webull and why, in my opinion, it is garbage. So Webull is an online stock brokerage and it has amazing marketing. It has enlisted some of the most popular online influencers in order to entice people to sign up. And additionally, it provides these online influencers with substantial payment in order to entice their followers to sign up for their online brokerage. So what's the problem? In my opinion, the problem is that virtually every single follower and every single person who opens up an account with Webull is going to end up losing money. And the reason for this is that it encourages people to buy options and it encourages people to day trade. There is no ability to sell options using margin on the Webull platform right now. And as a result, a lot of the people that are signing up for Webull are going to be gambling and trying to hit home runs, and as a result, they're going to end up losing all their money. Now, I don't want you to lose all your money. I don't want you to be a losing trader. As a result, I highly recommend that you sign up for a brokerage that I consider to be legitimate. Something like E-Trade, Tastyworks, Schwab, Fidelity, Thinkorswim. All of these, in my opinion, are much better online stock brokerages than Webull. As I said earlier, in my opinion, Webull encourages their users to buy options and to day trade and to hit home runs because they make it much more difficult to engage in high probability trading like selling option premium. One of the discouraging facts is that you have some big time influencers encouraging their followers to enroll and sign up with Webull. People like Graham Stephan. Now, Graham Stephan is oftentimes viewed on this platform as a financial expert. However, how can you possibly trust Graham Stephan when he's encouraging his followers and monetizing his followers to sign up for Webull when, in my opinion, virtually every single person who enrolls in Webull is going to end up losing money? In my opinion, this strikes a big blow at Graham Stephan's credibility because he is trying to monetize his audience without fully understanding that the product offering of Webull is going to cause those who follow Graham Stephan and those who enroll and sign up for Webull to lose money. Now, I would love to monetize my audience to sign up for Webull because I could probably make an extra $50,000 to $100,000 a year. However, I have significant ethical concerns with encouraging my followers to enroll in Webull because, in my opinion, those people who sign up for Webull are going to end up losing money. Instead, I encourage people to sign up for Tastyworks. Now, Tastyworks is not a perfect platform, but because Tastyworks encourages you to sell option premium, and it also extends margin so that those people with as little as $2,000 can sell option premium, it is a vastly superior platform than Webull. Primarily because I believe that if you trade my strategy, which is selling option premium, and you implement that strategy on Tastyworks, you will be vastly more profitable and potentially win 100% of your trades as opposed to trying to day trade and buy options on Webull. So anytime you have an influencer who is encouraging you to sign up for Webull, I definitely encourage you to start questioning the validity and the ethics of that influencer because, in my opinion, those people who sign up and enroll in Webull are going to end up losing money. But those influencers who are encouraging their followers to sign up for Webull, in my opinion, have very bad intent and they are not looking out for their audience. Because the best way for retail traders to make money consistently in the stock market is by either selling option premium or by simply holding an SPY ETF and not doing anything. As a result, by signing up for Webull, you're not only giving the influencer a substantial incentive to encourage and to continue encouraging their followers to sign up, but you are also going to build bad habits because you're going to be enticed into day trading and buying options. And I have never seen marketing as aggressive as I've seen with Webull. Never. They send me about 2 to 3 emails every single day. They are trying to bring me on board as an influencer to monetize my followers. And I can tell you that ethically speaking, I would never recommend Webull as it stands right now on May 31st, 2020. Perhaps if they are able to integrate selling options on margin, which is something that they are building upon and that they are working on. But right now, I would definitely not recommend that anyone uses the Webull platform because, as I said, in my opinion, I believe that everyone who signs up for Webull, or the vast majority, are going to end up losing money. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like this video. Let me know your thoughts on Webull. I answer everyone's comments, and I appreciate your attention.